Hi, hello. Welcome again to my class. This class is for class 8 students, and in this video we are going to discuss third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. And from this chapter we are going to discuss exercise 3.3. Okay, and before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. So let us start the class now. First question is, given a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Complete each statement along with the definition or property used. AD. This AD is equal to, since this is a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal. So AD will be equal to BC. Now, angle DCB is equal to angle DAB because in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So, angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. And OC, this OC is equal to OA because in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So, this diagonal will be cut into half by this diagonal. So, OA will be equal to OC. So, OC is equal to OA. And M of angle DAB, that is measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Angle DAB plus angle CDA. Sum of adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degree. So, M of angle DAB plus M of angle CDA. These two angles are adjacent angles. So, sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, understood? Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of x, y, z. Here, and we know that adjacent angles, sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So, x will be equal to 80 degree. In the first figure, x will be equal to 80 degree. Then y will be equal to, this is 80 means this will be 100. That is, opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So this is 100 degree and z equal to, since this is 80 degree, this is also 80 degree. So z equal to 80 degree. Now let us find what are the values of x, y and z in the second figure. Okay. Here this is equal to 50 degree. So, and given that this is a parallelogram, so y will be equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree, and x equal to 1 degree. Now this angle is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree, and this is linear pair. This is a line, right? So this angle, full angle will be 180 degree. So z is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree. Okay, now let us consider this figure. What is x here? Since these are diagonals of this parallelogram, this x will be equal to 90 degree, and this is 30 degree means y will be equal to, this forms a triangle. This is a triangle. So y equal to 180 minus 90 plus 30, that is 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degree. So y equal to 60 degree. Y and z are vertically opposite angles and vertically opposite angles are equal. So z is equal to 60 degree. Okay, this fourth figure, we have to find x, y and z. X is here, y is here and z is here. So we can find this angle because these are adjacent angles and this will be 100 degree. So what will be z? Z will be 80 degree. So z is equal to 80 degree and x is equal to, these are adjacent angles. So x is equal to 180 minus 80, so 100 degree, and y equal to 80 degree. Now we'll solve this. First, given that this angle is 112 degrees, so what will be y? They are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So y is equal to 112 degree. As the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, we'll get y equal to 112 degree. Now, we know that this is 40 degree and adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree in a parallelogram. So, y plus, that is 112 plus 40 plus z is equal to 180. 112 plus 40 plus z equal to 180. So, z equal to 180 minus 152, which is equal to 28 degree. So we got Z equal to 28 degree. This is 28 degree. So what is X? Vertically opposite angles. So X equal to 28 degree. So X equal to 28 degree, Y equal to 112 degree and Z equal to 28 degree is the answer. Okay. Next question is, can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree? So, this is a parallelogram ABCD, ABCD, and given that angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and in a parallelogram two opposite angles should be equal. So here angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree means angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, and they have not given whether the sides are equal. So if the sides are not equal, we cannot say whether it is a parallelogram or not. It can be a parallelogram, but it is not necessary that it is a parallelogram. So we can say that it can be a parallelogram, but it need not be a parallelogram. Okay, next question is AB equal to DC equal to 8 centimeter. AB 8, DC 8 centimeter. Okay, then AD equal to 4 centimeter and BC equal to 4.4. Is this a parallelogram? No, because only these two sides are equal. These sides are not equal, and in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay, now next one is angle A equal to 70 degree, angle C equal to 65 degree, and angle D equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Is this a parallelogram? No, because 70 plus 90 is not equal to 180, and 90 plus 65 is not equal to 180. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles should add to 180 degree, and in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angles are not equal, so this is not a parallelogram. Okay, understood? Next question is, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. You can draw a kite here. For a kite, it is not a parallelogram because opposite sides are not equal, but opposite angles are equal. For a kite, opposite angles are equal. Okay. Next question is, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Let us draw this parallelogram first. Measure of two adjacent angles are 3 in the ratio 3:2. So let us say that 3x and 2x are the angles. Now we know that for a parallelogram, sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. That is 5x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 by 5, which is equal to 36 degree. And the angles are 3x and 2x. So 3 into 36 is 108 degree, and 2 into 36 is 72 degree. So the angles are 72 degree and 108 degree. And since this is a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal and the sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So you will get 108, 72, opposite angles 72, 72 and 108, 108. Okay. Next question is, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Let us draw this parallelogram. Given that, let us name this as ABCD, and given that two adjacent angles are of equal measure. So we know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram sum is equal to 180 degree, and here given that, let us say angle A and angle B are the adjacent angles, and we know that angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, and given that angle A equal to angle B, what does that mean? So we can write this as angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree, which means 2 angle A equal to 180 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. No need of solving like this. We know that angle A will be 90 degree and angle B is also equal. So angle B is also equal to 90 degree. And we know that sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degrees. So if angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle D is also equal to 90 degree, and angle B is equal to 90 degree means angle C is also equal to 90 degree, or opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. From that also you can say that angle D equal to 90 and angle C is equal to 90 degree. And what does this mean? This is a rectangle or a square. Next question is, the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. Here given this angle 70 degree and this is a straight line, right? So this will be these angles, these two angles will be linear pair. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110. Okay, and from this you can find this angle because these are 110 degree plus z plus 40, that is angle O plus angle H is equal to 180 degree, which means 110 plus 40 plus z is equal to 180. Sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So 100 plus 40 plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So what is z? 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degree. So z equal to 30 degree. So this h, angle h is equal to 30 plus 40, which is equal to 70 degree. So we got angle h equal to 70 degree and x equal to these two angles added together will be equal to 180 degree because these are adjacent angles. So x is equal to 180 minus angle h, that is 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110. So we got x equal to 110, z equal to 30 and this is 40. This is 40 means y is also equal to 40. These are opposite angles. So y is equal to 40 degree. Next is the following figures, guns GUNS and runs RUNS are parallelogram. Find x and y. And in a parallelogram we know that sides, opposite sides are equal. So 3x equal to 18 means x equal to 18 by 3, which is equal to 6, and 3y minus 1 equal to 26 means 3y equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. So what is y? Y equal to 27 by 3, which is equal to 9. Okay, now from this figure we have to find x and y. We know that in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect each other means diagonals will be cut into half by the other diagonal. So here x plus y is equal to 16. This part and this part will be equal. So x plus y equal to 16 and here y plus 7 is equal to 20. This is 7. So y plus 7 equal to 20 means y equal to 20 minus 7, which is equal to 13. So substitute here x equal to 16 minus 13, which is equal to 3. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 13 is the answer. Okay, next one is, in the given figure RISK, that is risk and clue are parallelograms. Find the value of x. So this is a parallelogram. This is RISK is a parallelogram and CLUE. This is a parallelogram. This and this. Okay. Now find the value of x. We know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So this angle KSI or ISK will be equal to 60 degree. 180 minus 120 is 60. So this is 60. And here it is given as this is 70. Okay. Angle L is equal to 70 degree. So this angle will also be equal to 70 degree because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So this is equal to 70 degree. So this is 60 and this is 70 and this is a triangle. In a triangle sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 60, that is 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50. So x equal to 50 degree is the answer. Okay, next question is, explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? Here KL and NM, these two sides are parallel. KL and NM are parallel, and since the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. That is, they are interior opposite angles. Since the sum of interior opposite angles is equal to 180 degree, this is a trapezium. Okay. Now find m of angle C if AB is parallel to DC. Like the previous question, this is a trapezium because CD and AB are parallel and these two sides are not parallel. And in a trapezium, sum of interior opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So this is equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Next question is, find the measure of angle P, this angle P and angle S, if SP is parallel to RQ in the figure. This is a trapezium because these two sides are not parallel, but these sides are parallel. And in a trapezium, sum of interior opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. So this is 90 means angle S is also equal to 90 degree, and this will be equal to 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. So angle P equal to 50 degree and angle S equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we have done questions from exercise 3.3, and with this I am winding up this video. I'll be uploading questions from the other exercises in the next videos. So please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Thank you and bye.